Hey there, SEO enthusiasts and digital marketeers. Ready to dive deep into the fascinating world of SEO and discover how to truly master the art of search intent? Today we are going to explore one of the most crucial elements of search engine optimization, understanding the user search intent. By the end of this video, you will have a clear strategy for aligning your content with what users are searching for, leading to higher rankings and more traffic. Plus, we will cover everything from finding the perfect keyword to avoiding common mistakes. So stick around. You won't want to miss a single step. Let's come to first step. Step 1. Fully understand the user search intent. Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly is search intent? See, search intent is the reason behind a user search query. Understanding search intent is vital because it helps you create content that matches what your audience is looking for. If your content aligns with their intent, it's more likely to rank higher on search engine result pages. Now, there are several types of search intent that you need to be aware of. Let's list them one by one. First is commercial intent. So, when users are looking to compare products. See, commercial intent is when users are in the research phase, looking for something to buy or comparing products. They're not quite ready to make a purchase yet, but they are gathering information. For example, someone searching for the best types of pizza is likely comparing different options to decide which one to order later. How do you target commercial intent? Well, it can be on content type. Create comparison guides, reviews, and listicles. The keywords you should use are like best, top, compare, and review. For example, best types of pizza, top 10 laptops for gaming. These are some of the keywords. Transactional intent is the second one, when users want to make a purchase. See, transactional intent is when users are ready to spend money on something specific. They've already made their decisions and are looking to complete the purchase. For example, searching order pizza shows that the user is ready to buy. Now you will ask how to target transactional intent. So first is through content type, product pages, purchase guides, checkout pages. These are the product types. Then keywords. You should use keywords like buy, order, purchase, and deals. For example, order pizza, buy running shoes online. These are some of the keywords. Next is informational intent. So when users want to learn something. Informational intent is when users are looking to learn or gain knowledge about a topic. Now, these searches are about getting answers to questions or learning how to do something. For example, how to carve a pumpkin. It indicates the user wants instructional content. So, how do you target informational content? Well, first is through content types, how to guides, tutorials, informative articles, videos, etc. Then through keywords. Use keywords like how to, ways to, tips and guides. Let's look at examples. How to carve a pumpkin. Ways to save money on groceries. These are some examples. Then we have navigational intent, when user wants to find a specific site or page. See, navigational intent occurs when users are looking for a specific website or page. They know where they want to go, but use a search engine to get there. For example, searching Nicolas Cage Twitter shows that user wants to find Nicolas Cage's official Twitter profile. Then how do you target this navigational intent? That's a question that comes to our mind. First is through content type. Optimize your site for branded searches and make sure your site is easy to find. Then through keywords. Use keywords related to your brand names, product names, or other proprietary content. For example, Nicolas Cage Twitter, Facebook login. These are some of the keywords. Then we have locational intent. When users want to find a place. See, locational intent is all about finding a place nearby or a specific location. Now, this type of search is especially relevant for local businesses. For example, car wash near me. It indicates that the user is looking for a car wash in their vicinity. How do you target the locational intent? Well, first is through content types. Local business pages, Google My Business listings, and location-based SEO. Then through keywords. Use keywords like near me, in city name, and closest. For example, car wash near me, Italian restaurant in New York, something like this. Then you have seasonal intent, when users are actually looking for seasonal information. Seasonal intent revolves around searches related to specific times of the year, like holidays, seasons, or events. For example, Halloween decorations is a seasonal search, particularly popular in the weeks leading up to October 31st. Then the question that comes to our mind is how to target seasonal intent. First is through content type, seasonal guides, holiday sales pages, event specific content. Then through keywords, you should use keywords which are specific to season or events. For example, Halloween decorations, Christmas gift ideas. These are some examples of the keyword. Step 2 is find the best keywords. Now that you understand search intent, it's time to find the right keywords to target. Now this is where SEO tools comes into play. SEO tools helps you measure the effectiveness of keywords and provide valuable insights into search volume, competition, and more. Then you'll say why keyword research is important. See, when people search for something on Google, they often use similar phrase. For example, Halloween decorations and Halloween decorations DIY are two common searches that show user intent for DIY decoration ideas. SEO tools can help you discover how often people search for specific keywords and how competitive those keywords are. So what's the formula for the perfect keyword? See, your keyword phrases should, number one, be descriptive. So use at least 3 words to ensure specificity. Second, they should also reflect user intent, align with what the user is looking for. And third is have high monthly search volume. Ensure enough people are searching for these terms to make it worth your while. That was step 2. Now let's come to step 3. Use keywords on your site effectively. So you've got your keywords now. Where do you put them? See, proper placement is crucial to ensure your site is optimized for search engines. So you will ask, where should I put my keywords? First is page URL. So include your primary keyword in the URL for each page. Second is page title. The title should be concise and include the primary keyword. Next is meta description. You need to summarize your content in a few sentences incorporating your keywords. Then you have H1 to H4 headings. Use keywords in your headings to organize content and improve SEO. Then throughout the text, see, naturally incorporate keywords throughout your content. Then you have image file names and alt text. Use keywords in your image file names and alt text for better visibility in Google image search. Then video title, description, transcript, and thumbnails file name. So optimize video content with keywords to improve Google video search and YouTube visibility. Then you have internal and external link text. Keywords in link text help the link page rank better, not just the page where they are placed. So that was step 3. Step 4 is avoid these big mistakes when using keywords. See, now a word of caution. Using keywords incorrectly can do more harm than good. So here are some mistakes to avoid. Number 1 is keyword stuffing. Overusing keywords can lead to penalties from search engines. Next is ignoring user experience. Do not let keywords compromise the quality of your content. Then, using irrelevant keywords. Make sure your keywords are highly relevant to your channel. Next is neglecting synonyms and related terms. See, search engines recognize related terms. So diversify your keyword usage. Now comes next step, step 5, which is monitor your keywords performance. See, the final step is to keep track of how your keywords are performing. This involves regularly reviewing your rankings and adjusting your strategy as needed. So, what are the tools for monitoring keyword performance? Number 1 and most important is Google Analytics. It provides insights into which keywords are driving traffic to your site. Next is Google Search Console. It shows which queries bring users to your site and helps you monitor your site's performance in search results. Then there are SEO tools. You can use tools like RF, SEMrush, and most to track keyword rankings and discover new opportunities. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to understanding and leveraging search intent for SEO success. Remember, aligning your content with user intent is the key to driving targeted traffic and achieving higher rankings. From researching the right keywords to strategically placing them on your site and avoiding common pitfalls, you are now equipped with the tools to boost your SEO game. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so that you never miss an update. And if you have any question or you want to share your SEO strategies, drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep optimizing and keep ranking.